All right, let's make something different. I know these look like the typical nacho cheese fries, but you guys are gonna be shocked with the twist. All right, so first things first, all right? You're gonna need you some tortillas. We're going to prep those out. We're just gonna cut those into nice like strips, 1/4 strips. Then we're going to place those to the side. Next, you're gonna dice you up half an onion. You're just gonna cut those into 1/4 cubes. Just like that. I was like cutting all it down. I had to take a step away, man. These onions had me crying, literally. All right, we're gonna put that to the side. Now we're gonna heat up our pan. All right, now you're gonna saute those diced onions that you diced up earlier. Look at me being fancy. All right, after you're done sauteing the onions down, you're going to add your ground turkey, or you can use ground beef. I like ground turkey. It's more lean, juicier. It's just a better taste. Then you're going to season it. I use onion powder, garlic powder. Then I hit it with some salt. I have all the ingredients inside of the description box, so don't worry if I'm moving too fast. You know I got you guys. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to cook this down. You want to brown it. Once it starts to turn brown like that, we're going to add our taco seasoning. It's very important that you get the taco seasoning because it gives it that taco flavor. You need that seasoning, trust me. All right, next we're going to hit it with our Rotel, or you can use any type of diced tomatoes you want. If you can't find Rotel, any diced tomatoes will work. You're just going to incorporate that in. Just want to make sure it's evenly blended into the meat. All right, you just want to make sure you incorporate that in really well. Then we're going to add some water to that. That's just going to help loosen up that taco seasoning. It's very thick. It's going to make it very thick, so you just want to loosen it up really well. Then we're going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. And this is how it should come out, just like that. I like mine thick, so I put that to the side. All right, now it's time to cook those tortillas. You want to get you some oil. I use canola oil. I like it. It burns a lot slower. You just want to heat that up. You want to get to at least 350 if you want to. I would advise that you try testing a couple of the tortillas out before you actually put all of them in there, just to make sure it's not too hot or it's hot enough. That's how I did it. It's very important that you don't leave these tortillas alone, all right? So you want to just keep playing with it. You want to make sure you shuffle them through because they will stick together. Also, it cooks really fast, so you just don't turn your back on this skillet, all right? Once it starts to get crispy, you can cook it to the texture you like. I like mine to be golden brown. Just give it a more crispy texture, just like that, because you will be adding a lot of stuff on top. You don't want it to become too soggy too soon. All right, so there you go. There you have it. You're just gonna place that to the side. Then we're going to plate it up. You can use any garnish you like. This is what I chose to go with. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Would you try this? Would you try it out? I'm gonna tell you guys, it was a banger. And if you season the tortilla chips, I hit it with some lemon pepper seasoning just to give it a little zest. Man,